Hello YouTube, this is Mike again, back with another Hot Wheel video. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Hot Wheel Tuesdays. Well, today I decided to do a truck video. A few friends wanted me to do another truck video, so why not? Hey guys, don't forget, like and subscribe to my channel. Let's get to the cars. So here we go guys. Let's get to the first truck here. And this first truck, Chevy Dually. Nice. With the green metal flake paint and orange flames. Nice car. Let's get over here. Truck, rather. Let's get to this one. Now, this little red wagon. I have fond memories of this little red wagon. Oh, and one thing. This is not a Hot Wheel. This is a Johnny Lightning. I have fond memories of this truck. I know I'm dating myself. When I was little, my dad used to take me and my brother to Lion's Drag Strip in Los Angeles. And we used to see this truck run all the time. This is a wheelie truck. It would do a wheelie down the whole track. Good memories. Okay. Here's another Chevy. Nice blue, white designs, has chrome interior, blue tinted windows. Nice. Okay. We have a Mopar truck. It has faster than ever wheels on it. I don't know if everybody knows about faster than ever wheels that Mattel makes. These wheels and the axles and the rims, they run faster because they have special metal in them. Okay, here's another Dodge Power Wagon. Pretty green. Now this is a 65 Ford Ranchero. Now, the wheels on it, I did change the wheels because I was going to customize this one and never got around to it. But it's a nice truck. I really like it. Okay, let's get to this 5-pack up here. Now, this is a Flame series that they did. It's not that old, but I'm going to get this truck out of here and get it up on the spinning wheel so you guys could get a better look at it. The Silverado. And here's a custom 56 Ford. I left it in the package for now just so you guys could see what the packaging looked like that it came in. But I will pull it out of the package and get it up on the spinning wheel for everybody to see too. And here's another. This is a 67 Chevy C10. Let you see the artwork on the package. That one will be getting pulled out too to get up on the spinning wheel. And here's an old car. This is a 56 Flash Cider. I'll be getting this up on the rack. I left it in the package. It was in a old series, a Circus on Wheels series, part of a 4-car set. So let's get these cars up on the spinning wheel so you guys can get a better look at them. There's the Silverado. There's the 56 Ford. There's the 67 Chevy S10, C10. There's the custom C350. There's the custom Mopar truck with the faster than ever wheels on it. There's the Ford Ranchero. And here's that little red wagon that I used to watch all the time at Lions Drag Strip years ago. Here's the Dodge. And here's the 56 Flash Cider. From the Circus on Wheels series. And here's the 83 Chevy Silverado from the Flame 5-pack set. Well, that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the content. Don't forget, like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next Hot Wheel Tuesday.